Hey, one of the things that a lot of buyers are asking me about today is, hey, I want a house with a lot of natural light. Well, hey, I want to talk to you about 129 Parkhurst Lane here in Allen. Come inside with me. Let's go take a look. Hey, so one of the things I really like about this home is, like I mentioned, the amount of natural light that comes in at different points inside of the home. So this is a single-story floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a private office. Additionally, it has multiple living spaces and dining spaces for people to enjoy. Fresh neutral paint colors highlight the new luxury vinyl plank floors throughout the main spaces with a modern design and flow. The main living area provides a gas log fireplace that opens up into the eat-in kitchen, which offers a large island with ample seating and a window seat in the breakfast nook. Another favorite room will definitely be the updated and stylish ensuite master bedroom. It is a perfect retreat to relax and unwind after the end of a long day. A special feature in this home is the additional seasonal storage, located in a climate-controlled attic space accessible through the utility room. Hey, so once again, my name is Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty, and if you're looking for a great home to be your own, contact me directly. My number is 469-298-9786, and I'd be happy to show you this home personally. Thank you.